Hey everyone, Mr. Schuler is back here with another lickety-split tech tip, and this one's on how to help clean up your Google Classroom if you want to start removing some posts. Alright, so when you're in your Google Classroom, first thing to understand is there's two different sections for posts. There's the stream, which are basically just one-way messages. You're just leaving comments saying hello, or just basic instructions. And then you have classwork, which are assignments, which you're expected to complete something and turn it in for a grade. When you create an assignment, it also shows up in the stream, right? The stream's like everything. So if you have a message that you just want to remove because you posted it in the stream, I can go to my three dots, I can click on it, and I can choose to delete it. And it's going to say, hey, if you have comments, it'll be deleted as well. And that's fine. And it'll remove it. However, these are posted assignments. I'm seeing them in the stream, but if I click on the three dots, I don't have an option to do that. So what I can do is I can go to my classwork tab, go to the assignment here, and now I'm able to delete it under the classwork assignment. Okay, so you can delete anything that you post in your Google Classroom. Just remember, if it's an assignment, you can remove it from the classwork section. And if it's just a message, you can just remove that post from the stream. Hopefully that was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you very much.